Welcome to FX Street. Today we are going to be talking about Decentraland that is undergoing a small fade before the next leg higher in the relief rally. But before we dive deep into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at the Decentraland price action, let's start first with January 22nd, a very solid rejection on the 171 to the upside. And since then, price action has only been drifting higher already, although it looked like it was going to top around that 366 handle with the 61.8% Fibonacci level and the first resistance of the month, but it did not get there as such. If you remember well, that was around the time last week when we had some negative news from a central bank speaker and some more negative news coming out of Russia with the war rhetoric being ramped up a little bit before diving into the weekend. And since then, it has been trading a little bit lower, but then on Monday, we saw the reversal again with if you can see it a bit more better this way, there we go, a very solid bounce off the monthly pivot that was give or take around $2.70. Solid break above the 55-day moving average, and then up above this short-term double top that we had marked up here from January 17, around $3.20. A bit logic today that we see a short fade as investors are looking to book a little bit of profit. But all in all, the fade seems fairly contained. And as we can see, it has tested that double top that was resistance, is now turning into support. And for the moment, it looks to be holding. So the $3.20, very important to see if that could hold. From there, once the US session kicks in completely, expect a further ramp up with the relief rally to continue, and that we should be able to see that the Decentraland price action today hits the the resistance R1 level around $3.60 and around the 61.8 Fibonacci level. It would be even better if we see a close above it, but that would mean then the road is open for the next coming days, that we could see a rally push through with even breaking the high from December 27th and maybe touching the 50% Fibonacci level around $4.12. Ultimate target will be, of course, $4.50 with the R2 monthly resistance and this historical resistance pivotal here from November 20, forming a double top, which will be very hard to push through as it goes, as this relief rally by then will be fading a little bit. So we would need another tailwind, another catalyst to be able to fuel the bulls and push through this level. But all in all, very contained. Anyway, should there be any negative headlines coming out further this afternoon, or should, for example, US stocks move to the downside on some very negative news coming out of Russia, or some more negative central bank comments, for example, which would allude to even more hawkish Fed in March, expect then a break through this $3.20. Some hesitation around the 55-day simple moving average, but all in all, expect a complete plyback towards the monthly pivot at $2.68 with a fail-safe system at $2.57, which is the purple line here, which goes back to the 4th of December. So here you have a sort of a double cushion that should catch the fall in case Decentraland undergoes a little bit more of a correction on some negative headlines. That's it for Decentraland for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.